Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhamad Iqbal Nurzaman, and in this video, I would like to explain about how to make the true or false question. So, before we know how to make the true or false question, we need to know what the true or false question is. So, the true or false question is questions that that talk about that contains the statement and then two multiple answers. So the answers is true or false. So if the statement is true, then the answer is true, and if the if this statement is false, then the right answer is false. It's just like that. So what makes this question hard to answer is actually how the students, it's actually about the students knowledge about what in the question, what in the statement, what in the existing statement. So it's actually make the student more knowledgeable probably, and like that. And uh, let's start to know how to make the true or false question, right? So I get an example here. Probably you can see that. I'm sorry because this paper is red. The president of Indonesia is Jokowi. I write it as Jokowi and not Joko Widodo. So the president of Indonesia is Joko Widodo. Nah, as our as an Indonesian people, we know that our president is Joko Widodo, right? So the right answer is true. But if we make an alternative answer, if the right answer is false, then this statement need to be false true, need to be false too. So like the president of Indonesia is, for example, Kim Jong Un. So the president of Indonesia is Kim Jong Un. So this statement is false. So the right answer is false, and we can change the not the Jokowi, but if we change the Indonesia to North Korea, for example, or Russia, or North Korea. So the president of North Korea is Jokowi. So that statement is false because the president of North Korea is Kim Jong Un. Okay, and the second example is the result of 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is true because, as we know, if we study math, so the answer of the 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. But if we change, for example, this here, the 2, if we change it into 3, for example, the result of 1 plus 1 is 3. So the right answer is false, right? The right answer is false because the statement is false. So if the statement false, then the right answer is false. Or we can change the 1 plus 2, for example, or 3, or 1 plus 100 is 2. It is false, so the right answer is false. Okay, I think it's I think like that is how to make the true or false question by Muhamad Iqbal Nurzaman. And then how to assess the true or false question is only if it's actually the 50-50% if that answer is wrong or it is right. So if, for example, if that 10, if it is 10 questions, so the first that if this student only answered the right only answers right 3 of the questions, for example, so it's only 3 3, and then times 10, for example, so it is the score of the student is 30. if we assess it like that, we can assess it whatever we like. Actually, okay, probably that's enough for me. I'm sorry because I made many mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.